Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem your Roblox promo codes or your Roblox codes on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem your Roblox promo codes or the codes on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in roblox.com like this and give a backslash and type in promo codes like this and hit enter, and then you'll be redirected to this page where you'll be required to log into your Roblox account first in order to redeem your Roblox promo codes. Now my computer has autofilled my credentials for me. You'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Roblox account. And on this page, after we have redirected over here from the login page, you can see you'll be required to enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below. Enter your code whichever you have, either you have received from the gift card or your promo code over here. The code on your gift card will be at the back side of the card. If you scratch it, first it will be covered with some kind of ink, and it will be scratchable. Scratch it there, and the code will be available over there. Or if you have received your promo codes or your gift cards via email, receive your code first and enter your code over here and click on redeem, and then the net worth of that promo code will be available on your Roblox account to do more things you like on your account. And there guys, this is how you redeem your Roblox promo codes on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.